Thank you for joining us today for Monnit's webinar on food service and restaurant management. Today we're going to be talking about our systems in regards to food service and restaurant management. To give you a little bit more about Monnit, we were founded in 2010 and have been serving IoT customers for over 11 years. Monnit has conducted business in 84 countries in 2020 alone, and our headquarters are based in Salt Lake City, Utah. We also have sales offices in Korea and France, and as of this recording, we've gathered over 21 billion data points, and that continues to grow daily. This slide shows the variety of different types of customers Monnit is able to provide solutions to regardless of size or type. We can assist the small mom and pop flower shop with their need to monitor their 2 coolers with their inventory and storage, or the Fortune 100 company monitoring their cell tower huts for environmental problems and service call validation. Monnit can cover almost any requirement your business may have. Now we're going to talk about how our system works autonomously, allowing you to manage your operation remotely. Monnit's Remote Monitoring Solutions allow you to remotely track and monitor your products from farm to fork. Whether that is transportation, storage, distribution, or preparation, we have all the tools you need to meet and exceed industry requirements. The traditional food service supply chain is very complex and removed from the end consumer. The average distance from farm to table is 1,500 miles, and farm to table operations contributed 1.1 trillion to the U.S. GDP in 2019, which is over 5% of the total. Annual food loss from farm to table to landfill is up to 218 billion in waste and loss. So how do we help companies with their needs? We do it with specific technology that allows for users to monitor remotely their food items from the time it leaves the field or processing facility until the time it arrives at your local or chain grocer. Now, before I get into the specifics of the offering, let's spend a few minutes talking about what a typical deployment consists of, and then we'll drill down more into the specifics of what we would recommend for various monitoring requirements. Monnit's wireless sensing solution is comprised of 3 necessary components: wireless sensors in the frequency required for your part of the world, wireless gateways to receive the data being recorded and transmitted to the gateway, and software to collect data from all the gateway sensors deployed so users can act on the data. For the farm-to-fork solutions, we deploy sensors such as humidity, temperature, open and close, vibration meters, AC current meters, and food probes. For example, if you had a refrigerator with some high-value inventory in it that you wanted to monitor, you would use a leaded temperature sensor with some glycol vials to provide representative data of food items being stored in the cooler. The sensor transmits the temperature data to the gateway using a secure RF proprietary protocol. From the gateway, the data is then sent to the cloud either via a cellular connected device, such as a 4G LTE, or an Ethernet gateway, which connects to a modem, Cat5 jack, or switch. Our cloud software allows you to access this data from anywhere on any web-enabled device. Once in the cloud, users can receive instant alerts via email, text message, or voice calls if any issues arise. Data is stored for up to 1 year on the cloud with Premier, and then the data is archived, and reports can be created and automated for delivery for compliance programs. Alert trees can also be created, notes entered when issues arise, and a whole host of other features we can discuss offline. In addition to the sensors used for deploying in the farm-to-fork chain, Monnit also offers a variety of sensors you may not have considered that could be deployed to help your operation save money over time, with over 80 different sensor types that monitor environmental conditions, power, and motion. We should have almost everything you need. And if we don't, talk to us about how we work with customers to build specific sensors so you get the solution you want from Monnit. Monnit ALTA Sensors offers the best-in-class performance, and features include a 1,200-foot non-line-of-sight wireless range, which allows for monitoring through about 10 to 12 walls, an average battery life of 10 years for our AA sensor type, a bank-grade encryption for sensor data transmission from the sensor to the gateway, fast and easy setup in as little as 15 minutes, global RF support for the worldwide use, and cost-effective with sensors starting at $95. Monnit ALTA Gateways come with a variety of different options to suit any application. Options include Ethernet for clients who have on-site internet, and other features of the Ethernet include Modbus TCP IP and SNMP interfaces, HTTP local interface, and the ability to pair up 100 sensors per gateway with sensors checking in every 10 minutes. For clients who don't have on-site internet or require a more secure network, Monnit offers a 4G LTE cellular gateway solution supported on AT&T, Verizon, and US Cellular in the US. 3G is available to international customers with wider 4G support coming soon. A serial Modbus gateway with the RS-232 and 485 options for the PLC crowd, and we also offer a USB wireless sensor adapter for connectivity to a PC when you need to do just a small monitoring job. Monnit also offers additional products tailored to the food and restaurant industries. These include a handheld food probe with automatic data logging for tracking of temperature checks, and a glycol buffer that emulates food temperature transitions in coolers, resulting in a smoother temperature curve in your data versus wild swings without one. Other accessories available are the wireless thermostat designed specifically for remote configuration, and our 10 and 30 amp wireless controllers that interface with low power devices. Monnit's wireless system can be deployed as part of your HACCP system or your 21 CFR Part 11 program, and this will allow you to stay in compliance with USDA and FDA regulations. Software solutions include iMonnit, which is our secure cloud-based sensor portal that allows you to configure your sensor network, view sensor data and charts, and manage alerts and notifications. iMonnit is by far the most cost-effective way to monitor your sensor data, and starting at just $39 a year for up to 6 sensors, we challenge you to find deals in the market today, even as you cross that 1,000 sensor mark. We encourage you to check out iMonnit.com as well. To log into the guest account, please go to www.imonnit.com. Enter the username guest and the password Monnit21, that's capital M, lowercase o, and NIT21. For clients who require an on-premise software solution, we have iMonnit Enterprise. Monnit Enterprise is available for large organizations with specific data and or usage requirements. We do not recommend this solution unless you have a full-time database admin at your service, as the SQL database requires weekly management to keep it operating efficiently. For clients needing a third-party application data push, we offer APIs and Monnit Mine. Our APIs allow users to integrate their sensor data into third-party applications using the iMonnit REST API with XML or JSON formats, or the iMonnit Webhook API, which uses JSON body and is sent via HTTP post. Monnit Mine is a developer toolkit in .NET or Java, and Mine allows you to build your own API calls for third-party portals, but is not recommended for beginners. Setup is super easy and can be completed in as little as 15 minutes. If you do find yourself needing assistance, Monnit support is available Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 Mountain Standard Time. Phone support is available in less than 3 rings, and you can also contact us via online chat or email. We also have an extensive support section and knowledge base available 24/7 at www.monnit.com/support. All Monnit hardware is backed by our standard 1-year satisfaction guarantee. Some of the resources offered on Monnit.com are use cases, white papers, applications by sensor types. You can also find our extensive library of data sheets and user guides online as well. I want to thank you for joining us today, and if you have any other questions or you would like to schedule a call to find a solution custom tailored to your needs, email us directly at info@monnit.com or give us a call today at 801-561-5555. Thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful day.